Hello, my name is Jamie Gallo, and I'm the Assistant Director of Certificates here at Harvard Extension School. This short video reviews the 11 graduate and 1 undergraduate certificate we offer in the business management field. Here is a list of all of our management and finance certificates. Some of these are at the graduate and some at the undergraduate level. These certificates stack to either our ALB or ALM degrees. I'm going to spend some time briefly reviewing each of these certificates. You can review our Fast Facts, which provides an overview of general student information for management and finance in the resources section. Our Business Communications certificate consists of 3 courses at the graduate level, with a focus on developing effective communication techniques. Students pick 3 courses from the certificate curriculum in order to complete this credential. The skills gained from this certificate can be applied to a variety of professional environments. Our Business Economics certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level, with a focus on real-world application of economics to business markets. Students choose courses from the required certificate areas in order to complete the credential. Over 30% of students who've earned this credential reported a career advancement upon completion of the certificate. We offer our Principles of Finance certificate as an introductory credential, and then our Corporate Finance certificate with a focus on financial decisions in a corporate setting. Students choose courses at the graduate level from the required certificate areas in order to complete these credentials. Students in these certificates have had job titles such as Financial Manager, CEO, and Managing Director. Our Innovation and Entrepreneurship certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level with a focus on applying creative ideas to business settings. 4 courses are required, including a final applications course. 39% of students who've earned this certificate reported that it had led to a career advancement. Our Marketing Management and Digital Strategy certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level with a focus on marketing fundamentals and using data to make decisions. Students choose courses from the required certificate areas in order to complete the credential. Students who earn this credential work in a variety of career fields, such as finance, education, and advertising. Our Nonprofit Management certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level, with a focus on leadership, accounting, finance, and development. Students pick 4 courses from the certificate curriculum in order to complete this credential. Students in the Nonprofit Management certificate have had job titles such as Executive Director, Development Officer, and Project Manager. Our Organizational Behavior certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level with a focus on understanding individual and group dynamics within an organization. Students choose courses from the required certificate area in order to complete this credential. Students in the Organizational Behavior certificate have had job titles such as Analyst, Consultant, and HR Director. Our Project Management certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level. This certificate focuses on the project management lifecycle from start to finish. Students choose from the required certificate area in order to complete this credential. Students earning the Project Management certificate have reported an increase in job responsibility and advancement up to 75%, as well as a deeper professional understanding within the field. Our Real Estate Investment certificate consists of 4 courses at the graduate level, focusing on hands-on experience within the real estate investment process. Students choose courses from the required certificate areas in order to complete the credential. Students in the Real Estate Investment certificate have had job titles such as Commercial Development Manager, Realtor, and Sales Executive. Our Strategic Management certificate consists of 5 courses at the graduate level, focusing on aligning the direction and goals of an organization. Students choose courses from the required certificate areas in order to complete this credential. Students in the Strategic Management certificate have had job titles such as Business Development Manager, CEO, and Marketing Director. Our Professional Communications certificate consists of 3 courses at the undergraduate level. This certificate focuses on developing and perfecting communication in business and academic settings. Students pick 3 courses from the certificate curriculum in order to complete this credential. The certificate was introduced in the 2020-2021 academic year.